Hello friends, let's start geometrical figures of standard 4 today. It's a very simple chapter and there are very few concepts in it. As you all know, there are three types of angles. Right angled triangle wherein the angle is of 90 degree always, which is very straight, and the other angle is the acute angle, which is less than 90 degree, maybe 60 degrees, 45 degrees, or less than 90 degrees. And the third angle is obtuse angle, which means it is more greater than 90 degrees. Can you see? This can be somewhere 110 degrees, 100 degrees, or 120 till 180 degrees. So let's study with the example of clock timing. Friends, I have drawn a clock here with 12, 3, 6, 9 and with the center. Let's make 90 degrees. This is all the examples you can see in your daily life routine. If the short hand is at 3 and the large hand is at 12, what is the angle you can see here? This is 90 degree. Yes, you are correct. Let's go for another example. The same, the short hand will be at 3 and I'll draw 1 and 2 here. Now I would keep the bigger hand at 1. Which angle is this? This is of course lesser than 90 degree. So this is an acute angle. Yes, you tried well. Now let's go for the third example with the same shorthand on 3 and I'll write 11, 10. 1 and 2 for your convenience. And now let's take our longer hand on 10. And this angle is of course greater than 90 degree, isn't it? Can you tell which angle it is? Obtuse. Yes, again you are right. Now let's study circle. Circle, as you all know, this is a circle. Example, this ring can be a circle. Can't it be? Yes, this is round. And the line, we draw a straight line, no? Between 2 points. This is a straight line. But circle is drawn something like this. And this line which completes the circle is called as circumference. What is this called as? Circumference. Okay. Now, this circle has a radius and a diameter, chord and a center. Some foreign words for you, right? But they are very easy. Let's learn. The point I have drawn is in the center of the circle. This is called as center of a circle, right? Now center is the midpoint where all the radii intersect each other. Now what is radius? Oh, something new. Friends, this is a circle and this is a center. Now the half part, let me draw some other circle for you. This is a center and I am drawing a line from this point towards the edge of the circumference, right? I am drawing a ray from center of the circle towards the edge of the circumference, and this line, ray, is called as a radius. You have your name, na? Sampath, Ajinkya, Gopal. We have to name this ray also, this center also. So let's give it a name as A. A is the center of this circle. And as we have drawn a ray here, we need to label this also. So let's give a name B, right? Now this radius is called as radius AB. Okay. Now this, what is radius? Now the distance from the center of a circle towards the circumference of a circle is called as a radius. So simple it is, isn't it? Now this circle has some other character which is called as a diameter. Let's draw some other circle also. Now this is the center of the circle, and this is radius. But of course, this ray goes to this side also. Now this has become a bigger one. This is called as a diameter. What is diameter? The distance across a circle through the center. The distance across the circle through a center is called as a diameter. Again, we have to label this. We gave this center as name A, then B, and let's give this a name C. Now, this is a diameter named as BC or CB. You can say anything. Now, friends, this was radius, and this total length is a diameter. So what we can say is a radius is. Now the last is chord. This is the center of a circle, and if we draw a line from this point to this point, a line connecting the 2 points on the edge of the circumference of a circle is called as a chord. This chord doesn't intersect or pass through the center of the circle, right? So this cannot be a radius. The chord is different from radius. You can see the difference, that radius passes from or originates from the center of the circle towards the circumference of the circle, and this chord crosses between the 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Okay? So this we end with the circle, and let's go towards the other geometrical shapes, that is a square. You all are very well aware of this, a rectangle, and a triangle. Of course, this is called as triangle because this triangle consists of 3 sides. This is square and this consists of 4 sides. This is rectangle, again same, this is having 4 sides, but the difference between a square and a rectangle is all the sides of a square are of same distance, and in rectangle you can see the length is bigger than the breadth. Okay, triangle can be of same sides or different, that we will study later on, different types of triangles, but now we have to study the sides and vertex of these 3 shapes. So this is a square. Friends, how many sides are there in a square? 1, 2, 3, 4. And vertex means points. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The rectangle is also having the same story, friends. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 point, when we are saying, we spell it as vertex, and when they are more than 1, we spell them as vertices. Now, triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and how many vertices? 3, of course, right? Now, to the end of this chapter, let's study the sides. How we have to write the sides and vertex. For square, you have to write the side as side AB, BC, CD, and AD or DA, right? So, you have to write side AB, side BC, side CD, and side DA. And how many vertices are there? There are 4 vertices, as we have already learned. So we have to write vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. Same for rectangle. Sides AB, side BC, side CD, and side DA. And how many vertices? Of course, vertex A, B, C, and D. Let's go for the triangle. The sides of triangle are side XY, side YZ, and side ZX. And how many vertices? Of course, 3. Vertex X, vertex Y, and vertex Z. So here we end with our first chapter, that is geometrical shapes. Bye bye friends, we'll meet soon with other chapter in a easy way.